So what does Emperor's Trading Academy do? So let me share with you about your about the course. So I'm not trying to promote the course to you. So I believe that everyone agree that financial education is important. So it's just that sometimes we don't know what course to take, and then there's so many offers. So because if I Google online trading courses, investing courses, so many courses online. So sometimes we might make the wrong decision as who is supposed to be our mentor, who we want to learn with. So I will share with you how to make the right decision to choose the right course for yourself. So I did share with you all this Emperor's Trading Academy. So there's a few courses that we have here. So you can take a look. So first one right, is called the Foundation Program. So sometimes I put 4 trading strategy, people got a bit confused. So this one I'm going to change it to Foundation Program. So we consist of 4 trading strategy. So this 4 trading strategy right is first one is the PMT strategy. PMT strategy, and how does that benefit you? Because in the market, right, there's more than 1,000 technical indicators, and even experienced traders, they get confused, don't know which indicator to use. So sometimes when they put too many indicators, so they end up in contradiction. So I designed this PMT strategy to help people, to classify technical analysis into 6 main categories. So there are trend, price action, and then law of nature, which is Fibonacci, and then momentum, volatility, and volume. So PMT, right, we will use price action, momentum, and then the trend to do a high probability setup. And then the number 2 is called CFT strategy. So CFT is a trend following strategy. The PMT strategy will give you an overall view of technical analysis, but it's kind of it's neither a trend following strategy or neither this what trend reversal strategy. So CFT strategy is a trend following strategy. So PMT is somewhere a balanced strategy. So they look at the current market condition and then to decide whether to do a trade or not. So third one is the Sun Tzu Art of War. So just now I shared the Sun Tzu Art of War. So Sun Tzu Art of War, just now what I share is the principle. So I didn't apply that into the market to show you. So in our course, right, I will show you how to apply this Sun Tzu Art of War. So Sun Tzu Art of War in this course, right, will be a trend reversal strategy. And the next one is the Korean sashimi method. So Korean sashimi method, right, is a high frequency trading method using manual trading. So I will show you how to do the Korean sashimi method in this. So take for example, I show you how we have been criticized in the market. So for example, we type fortitude funds, no? Let's type fortitude funds. So if we look at fortitude funds, right, you can see over here there's Google review. No? So also got people scold us. No? So if you scroll down, there's some positive remarks, but there's some negative remarks. I show you what happened, this one. So you can see this guy, Terrence Lee, say scam company. They force you to use real money to trade with an insane amount of trades within a short period just to earn referral fee from the AVA trade broker. So don't waste your time. So over here we respond. So dear Terrence, traders believe in achieving an edge over a large number of trades. So it's possible to do 10 trades a day. So in fact, it's possible to do 100 trades a day. So some of you all have even seen me doing 100 trades a day. So in fact, in our Korean sashimi strategy, so I will share how a person can do high frequency trading using manual trading to do a large number of trades. So, so because we do trading, so trading that means we do a lot of trade, then it's called trader, right? So if an investor, that means I do 10 trade, 5 trade in a year. So that means this is passive investing. So that means for traders, we do a large number of trade. Also, I told him to contact us if you have any clarification. But it's okay because at first I was a bit surprised, but I realized that there's this group of people because after that I analyzed, right? Because even if some very reputable people, celebrities, politicians or whatever, right? So there's always negative and positive news. So there's always this group of people. Haters are always haters because there's also another thing, say keyboard warrior, because I don't know about. In fact, I don't know who is this Terence. So when I couldn't find his profile, so I can't contact him. So there's this thing called keyboard warrior. So some people might say something on you online, this and that, and score you, and then we don't know who they are. But one thing is we never scan because scan you can't see me standing here after 3 years still talking to you, right? Because the law is so strict. So in fact, although we ask people to take part in the live trading test, but we always tell people, if you are down 5%, look for us, and then we will review for you. So let's say someone fund $1,000, take the test. So if they're down $50, we might ask them to stop the test. So that's how we work over here.
Alan, do you repair account as well?
Repair? What is repair?
Repairs, and if let's say if you have lost so much, right? Then let's say from 1,000 or 10,000 even, or okay, maybe 1,000, and then only $1 left. So do you, or maybe very less amount left? So do you like help the person to trade?
1,000 become $1. So you have to look for Richard Dennis,
That's an illustration lah. I mean, it could be any amount. So as in it's a losing account lah. Do you like help the person to trade it back up?
In fact, we can ask them to take our course and to help. So I will share with you. So you see, for example, this 4 trading strategy, right? So in fact we share more because this 4 strategy, right, is built on the foundations of all these strategies. So there's on all these foundations. So we will share trend analysis, support resistance, Japanese candlestick, Fibonacci, RSI, and then we will even cover the trading psychology, money and risk management, and fundamental and its application to trading, and also using probability and statistics. So in fact, I want to include a bit of coding in this course, even in the fundamental program. So you see over here what classes we have. Currently, sorry, what's your name again? I forget again.
Chris, and call me Chris L.
Chris Ang, okay.
Chris L.
Okay, so you see, we have a few courses. You see, now I even come up with a $1 million trader program. So I would say that this quantitative trading is a coding course. So if it's not compulsory to take. So if you want to learn coding on your own, I can recommend you how to learn on your own. So if let's say, but it's a bit dry. So if you want to learn coding on your own, right, you can privately message me. I can message you a few websites. Then if you don't like it, then you take. So it's not that I keep promoting the course. It's just that some people propose they want to learn coding somewhere and have someone guide them. So I come up with this course.
This coding is C, or what language is it?
This coding course we use the MQL5. So we build on the foundations of C++ programming.
For the MT5 platform and MT4 platform.
Yeah, MT5 platform.
Okay, all right.
Have you taken the 4 trading strategy already?
Taken? No, I'm joining your program. So
Oh,
so far,
okay, so you are actually in this program lah.
I don't think I'm in the program. I'm in the trading the 100 trades program.
Or trading team. Okay, okay, all
Oh,
right. Okay, so how it works is so some people do learn before trading strategy. Then if after that they can progress. So this one is called the foundation program. Then after that they will upgrade to the 21 trading strategy. So 21 trading strategy will be all this. So where is this from? So 21 trading strategy is I will call it intermediate. So I don't have an advanced program. So because I believe in the improver mindset, so if I come out with an advanced program, so end up you think that there's no way to improve already. So I did share, as a trainer, right, we are like teachers. So my goal, right, is for you to become better than me in 2 years' time. Because right after the course, you can apply the strategy, but it's unlikely to believe if they tell you say, after the course, you become better than me. So as a trainers, we are like teachers. So I hope that 2 years later, you can become better than me. So for example, let's say I see this student, or last time I trained one, who suddenly become a more popular trainer than me. Or another one start a very huge hedge fund, then or become multi-millionaire, successful millionaire, successful businessman after that trading for as a side income. So I'll be very happy, to see people better than me. So rather than 2 years later, I see this person, this person trade until bankrupt already. The other person go jail already because manipulate market. Another person was selling tissue paper in the Singapore Causeway Point. So I will feel very sad, right? So my goal is for you to become better than me. So in my course, I will share with you everything I know about trading. So you can upgrade to this one after you finish this 4 trading strategy. So 21 trading strategy, even the senior trader, they have to pay to get it. So recently I learned from a friend, so there's no free lunch. So I won't give for free. So senior trader, they learn other things like how to find the fair value of a currency, because many people know how to find the fair value of stock, but not many people know how to find fair value of currency. So only when they become senior trader, I will share with them how to find the fair value of currency. So this course syllabus is totally different from the senior trader course syllabus. So there's these six Ichimoku Kinkoyo. So in fact, when we Google, right, let's say you Google these what's that called? So in fact, when you Google Ichimoku, right, it come out. So